أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
والسابقون الأولون من المهاجرين والأنصار والذين اتبعوهم بإحسان رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه وأعد لهم جنات تجري تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم.
The pioneers, the first of the migrants and the supporters, and those who followed them in righteousness, Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with him. He has prepared for them gardens beneath which rivers flow, where they will abide forever. That is the sublime triumph.